let F is homomorphism from G to G bar, and if K bar is normal subgroup of G, then F inverse K. That means here situation is like this. This is G and this is G bar. This is G. So here K bar is normal subgroup. Here is normal subgroup and F is obviously this mapping. So this is K bar, and corresponding to this here F, that means a subset F inverse K bar. So we have to show this is normal. Obviously first we can easily we can show that this is subgroup, then we show normal. But the subgroup part is easy, just by using the one step test we can prove it. And now we show that this is normal. Simply how we prove? We take one element of this and one element from G. So it is easy question. Let we can understand the structure of this F inverse K. Let Fx belong to G bar, some element of G bar, and Fk element of K bar. Then Fx, Fk, Fx inverse. This element we show is here, right? So this we can write simply because F is homomorphism, so this can be written X K X inverse. Now this element, because this element G bar, so X belong to G, right? This means X belong to G, simply G bar Fx belong to G bar because it is the codomain. That means this we can say this belong to, because F into some element of G belong to K bar as X K X inverse belong to G, right? Therefore now this we have proved, so we simply can say as K bar is normal, K bar is normal, so this we can take X K X inverse belong to F inverse. This is the definition we can use because the structure of the set is like this, F inverse K bar. Now this element belong to this, hence we can say F inverse K bar is normal. So this whole question depend on the structure which is given to us.